Oh, this is inspirational. This is perfect music for what we're about to go do.
Yeah.
Welcome, everyone.
And this is Sons of the Forest.
We're fine. Everything's fine. What's up, motherfuckers?
I am waiting.
It's gonna do like the little intro. You know, I don't care about this. We're just gonna... I've already seen what happens. We're skipping through it. I don't give a shit, the cutscene.
Oh, no. Oh, you blow it?
Nope, nope, we're here. We're here. This is what my channel's about. We get past the fluff.
Okay, yeah. I don't see Calvin.
Wake up, Calvin. You're good. You're doing good.
I see Fisheye, Calvin.
I don't even know who the fuck Fisheye is.
I just see Fisheye and Calvin.
We'll have Kelvin follow me for right now, because we're still waiting on Bubs. Bubs is currently crashing. I get the pebbles.
You're right there. Oh, I see it. Right.
Oh, look, there's a raccoon.
That was not you.
Oh, no, that's you. That's not you. That's Kelvin. Oh, there you are. Bubs. What this doesn't seem like a bad place for camp. Should we just make camp here?
Yeah, we got water.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. What? Dude. Fucking killing me? Jesus.
Let's tell him to get logs. Drop here, sure.
Don't drink that water.
I like how you're like, yeah, we got water. We can drink it.
Hold on.
I got sick.
Grab these crates. I'm gonna go over here and grab some crates.
Yeah,
that's nice in over here. Put them on the stone wall.
I am the hunter-gatherer of this tribe, Bubs. Combine. What do I need? Oh. Okay. Are you ready for this shit, Bubs?
Yeah.
Where's that trash panda now? Fuck!
You mother.
Oh, no!
Yeah, we need to start building or something. Or need to tell this man to stop because he's gonna cut the whole fucking forest down.
Take a break, Calvin. But you know what? It's all shit we don't gotta do now.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a box down here.
Ooh.
And I found a taser, Bubs.
Oh, we got a taser.
Here, watch.
I'm about to die. I'm about to die. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. You don't want this.
Come here.
Yeah, you don't want this.
Hey, I found some rope. Oh, what was that? What was that? I don't think that was a crow. It kind of sounded like a man pretending to be a crow. And part of me kind of knows it's probably a mutant. Yeah, I see a mutant. But I was also kind of hoping it was just a bird and like a dev was just crowing into the mic.
Right, I'm coming to you.
It's boo. Nope.
A tree kind of scared me. I can build a fire.
Yeah, let's build a fire, and if we can, a drying rack for food. Hungry?
Oh, yeah.
It's raccoon. Calvin, get out of the fucking fire. Calvin, you just took it. It wasn't even ready yet. Oh, God. Oh, God. You better get to eating, Bubs.
All right.
It sounds so moist.
It's so moist. All right. Where's the cave?
Down over here, Bubs. Over by me. I got an energy drink and a circuit board. God damn it, Bubs. You got
Oh, Jesus fucking Christ.
We're going in. Okay. There's random meat here. Oh, then we're just gonna eat off the ground. All right. Bubs, this is probably a bad idea.
Probably.
That's a lot of skulls. But there's a rope.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a ramp. Okay. I was about to jump. Bubs,
Yeah.
there's a couple over there
There is.
in the water.
What you doing, my life?
You think
Right.
we got this?
Oh.
I don't know either.
Oh wait, there is things over here.
That's what I said.
The cave's really loud.
The cave is super We can't see nothing. You just gonna walk up to him?
Yeah. Hey.
I'll go
Hey.
for this one.
Oh, I'm dead.
Oh god.
Okay.
Run, Bubs! Oh no, you're actually dead. You're actually dead. Oh no.
You're not gonna pick me up?
I can't, I'm dead. That was so gushy.
Oh yeah, it's fisted. Yeah.
All right. Well, that was not the move. We are not ready for that. Oh my god. Okay.
Here, I got C4.
All right, you get him.
I got him.
I don't think we're ready.
You want to go back?
I think we should go back. We don't even have meds. But we gotta run past those things, I think. All right, get your stand. Oh, we need water. I'm gonna drink this. Fuck it. My tummy hurts, but I'm not I'm not thirsty anymore. All right, we're gonna just run. Save your stamina till we need to. Oh my god. Okay, go. Fucking go. Parkour. Parkour. I made it. Red Bubs. He's
Run.
after you. He's
Run.
he's after you.
Fine.
Okay, I'm going through. Yeah, it's fucking shitty in there.
Yeah.
Okay, so that cave's a no-go. Oh, I just ate those. Hopefully those are okay.
Oh.
Did I hit you?
Yeah. What the fuck?
My bad. I was just
scared
swinging.
me.
I was
What
just
the fuck?
swinging. I don't have any meds. We'll find some. Fuck off, raccoon.
Fucking watch how you swing that. Jesus.
Maybe you should watch where I swing it. I see one.
Oh yeah.
Two. Get back. Get back. Get back. Oh, Bubs, I need help.
Coming.
I'm dying.
Bitch. I got him. Okay, his head off.
Good. Bubs, what are you going to do with that? Laugh at this. Come back. She's fast.
I gotta hand it to you. Oh no 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 no!
Bubs, you don't eat it.
Here. Here.
What did you want to show me, Bubs?
Nothing.
What you want to show me, Bubs? Yeah?
Oh, another one.
Hey, Bubs.
Two of them.
You got
Where are
this.
you?
You got this.
Oh, okay.
I'll be right back.
There's three of them. Okay.
Okay, well, run if you need to. Because they might be a little pissed because we kind of attacked them.
Yeah, yeah. Oh my god.
Yeah. I found it.
You know what?
Shh, don't worry. Yeah. I'm coming, boy. Oh god. I'm coming. Just look to the horizon. Woo! Oh god. We're good.
Yeah, I kind of went a little
Bubs,
too creative. Yeah, I got
do
him.
we need to talk?
I got him.
There's pieces everywhere. Why is there pieces everywhere, Bubs? Ready? Get
No,
it, Calvin.
God damn it.
Stop
Damn it.
eating things. Are you happy with my find?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah. It makes traversal a lot more fun. It helps when I can see. Ah, fuck. There's no seatbelts. Ready?
The rock. Oh no.
Shit. Fuck. Let's see what's in this cave. You okay?
No.
Did you eat more hand?
No.
I just got a skin pouch.
Me too. You can open it and get stuff.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hopefully there's fucking meds. Oh, bad time to do that. More rope. Wow, I can't see dick.
You can't see dick.
Mm-mm.
Alright. Put stick away.
Ah. You go ahead. You got the light.
Okay. Alright.
I don't know why the fuck I'm leading.
Ooh.
What is this? Flying machine.
Uh-oh.
Bubs, there's a big camp. Bubs, I have an idea.
Yeah.
Yeah, have you ever played GTA and you paid the stripper, but you wanted your money back?
Yeah.
All right, follow me.
Oh, behind you. Oh, behind you.
Eat shit. Why did that one look oddly human? Oh. Shit. So many. Oh my god. All right. All right.
Three.
Shit. Okay. Come here, big boy. Got one. All right. That's not the camp, though. Obviously. Oh my god.
Hey.
There we go. Oh, you want some? Yeah, he didn't want the smoke. Fuck. Oh, she's inspecting the body. I found your camp. Shit. Fuck. Maybe they'll
Hold
think.
on.
Maybe they'll think twice
Oh, Jesus.
before fucking with the fuck boys. You don't fuck with the fuck boys.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, I think that was a job well done. Only thing, if I could, would be the piss on this fire. All right, let's see. What are we looking for? There's an exclamation mark way over here. All right, so let's go on our Sunday drive here, Bubs. Oh, squirrel. 1 minute. I want to check my actual GPS.
Here, beep.
Okay, so the one up there is close. I just hear BRB and he just rolled away. God damn it. Stay in there, Bubs. BRB. Oh no. A tree. We're doing great. All right, let's see what this is.
Oh, I know what this is. Hold on.
Oh. Fuck, Bubs, help. I mean grape juice. We got a half skull. Oh, thank God. Literally, the skull was full. Oh, the
I got
flashlight?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. You know what I saw over there?
Hold on.
Calvin! Buddy! We didn't mean to leave you. You ready to go,
Oh hell yeah!
you ready to go get our money back, if you know what I mean? We're fine. Everything's fine. What's up, motherfuckers? That's not a person.
Oh, shit, they're coming. They're coming. Oh my!
Oh my God! Oh, he's missed. Stay strong,
Owie.
Bubs. Stay strong, Bubs. Oh! Oh, through me!
Oh, I'm dead.
Oh! Oh! Bubs, they're so strong. Bubs, they're so strong.
I'm dead. I'm down.
Oh, hi, Bubs. So, about that intro. Okay, here's the plan.
Okay.
We're gonna break free. Okay,
Yes. Yes.
or break free. We're going to hit that golf cart. Oh God, they're coming to me.
All right. I'm going.
Okay, we're gonna break free. Hit the golf cart. We're gonna get in. All right, ready?
Okay. Yep.
How do I get out?
I'm cutting.
Oh, E.
E. I'm cutting. We gotta get our bag somewhere.
Our bag's right in front of us. But you know what? Did you bump it? Oh wait, he's stuck. He's stuck. Ah, God damn it! You know what? Round 3. I think we can do this, Bubs. I think we can do this.
All right. What we're gonna do is, all right. What you're gonna do is, you're gonna grab the spear,
Okay.
and I'm gonna grab a bag, and
Okay.
then I'm gonna grab my shit.
Okay, 1
and then
minute.
You're gonna switch and get a bag.
This is the crazy one. We need to get this one dead.
All right, fine. I'm going after him.
All right, ready? Let's go. We're gonna jump him. They'll never suspect a thing. They never suspect. Oh.
I got him.
He just clobbered me over the head.
I got him.
Okay.
Grab him a bag.
That
Who's
one's
this?
alive on there? Legs! Ah! God damn it!
Better fucking run, bitch.
I'm back.
Oh, found what's her name? Hey, but okay, bye.
Calvin, buddy! How you doing? I don't think he's proud of what we did here. I think Calvin's starting to worry about
That guy's still in here. Some cereal.
What's this thing?
Hell yeah.
Night V collected. Oh my
yeah, it's a
God.
moped.
It's a little like,
It's a moped.
oh my God. You need... What?
This is.
Fuck your tent.
Oh, yep, they're coming. Yep.
Fuck this tent too. Fuck. Oh shit. Oh God. Oh, she's gone. All right. Well. Oh!
fuck?
We're okay. We're okay. I can't see anything, Bubs. Is this out? Oh, thank God. Okay, we're good.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, you're not in? Wait, what's this?
Ooh.
Is this just in a camp?
Oh, this is.
Oh.
Whoa, wait, who's that?
I don't know. What's up, guy? He's dead. Oh, I found a big axe.
Oh.
I don't care about that. Oh, we can sleep here real quick, Bubs. Let's sleep here.
Yeah, you want to sleep here?
I'm sleeping.
Okay, I'm gonna sleep too.
Bubs, I don't think you slept in time.
Uh-oh.
There's a big one. Oh my God, this music is not helping right now.
Yo.
Bubs, this sucks. Bubs, he's coming.
Yep.
Ah! Where the fuck are we now? Oh no, we're back, Bubs. No.
Alright.
Okay, he's sleeping. Ready?
Yep.
We're going to go. This man thinks he's safe. Little does he know. All right, ready, Bubs? We're gonna sneak up on him. Let's go. They rebuilt fast. That's what you get. All right, let's sleep real quick, Bubs. Just get to the 10, press Z. Okay.
Coconut cherry.
Oh, thank God. Okay. All right, well, that wasn't so bad, right?
I don't know.
A squirrel.
Probably.
Rabbit. Monster. Monster? Shit. See, I stopped before I hit it that time. Damn it, oh God.
And you were saying?
We made it to the ocean, Bubs.
Yay.
You know what we must do, right?
Huh.
We need to swim. No, Bubs, stop it. Okay, we're good. Bubs, you're just gonna sit right there and not kill this turtle? That's more like it, Bubs.
Hey, come here.
I'm going
Come
for
here.
it.
Come here.
What? I'm leaving. I'm not even gonna swim. I'm gonna just walk.
All right, look.
I hope I don't want to die out here, Bubs.
Me either.
I don't want to die. Oh, I can't get. Okay. I can't see. Ah! Bubs, there's a shark. I made it. I don't know what you were so worried about.
That sounds so moist.
All right, let's grab these toothbrushes.
Hey. Hey.
Nice. Where move so I can get it. Yeah. Does this make you feel like a man, Bubs?
Yeah.
Look at that seagull right there, Bubs. You see it? No, you don't. We oh. Well, now we have no ammo, but you know what? We shot 2 seagulls. Oh wait, what's that? Oh, I fell in the sharks right there. I fell in the sharks right
I know, I shot it.
Thank you, Bubs. I'll meet you at the beach. Ah! Bubs, you didn't shoot it good enough. Bubs, you didn't. Oh my God, swimming with me. Oh, Bubs. Bubs is right here. Bubs is right here. Bubs is right here. Bubs is on me. Bubs.
I know.
Bubs.
You
Bubs is on me. Bubs is on me.
You're good.
I don't know where it is.
Oh, I'm dead. Oh, I'm in water. Tied up.
You're tied up in the water. How does that work? What'd the shark do to you, Bubs?
I don't know.
There you are.
Hey.
And you were worried. Are we going to the next purple thing?
Oh. Yeah.
Where were you going?
Somewhere.
Get him, Bubs. Yeah. Yeah, get him. Oh no. Oh no, Bubs. Oh no, Bubs. Just keep going. You're doing great. You're doing great. Don't hit that one. Oh. Oh, no, no, Bubs. Oh, Bubs, no. She is very upset. Bubs, what did you do?
Look around.
She's very upset. Oh my God, the seagull's eating the eating the body she's crying over. Get her, Bubs. Oh. She dodged you on that one. Oh. Bubs, you killed her on the bed. Bubs! Bubs, this whole mess that you made was just the most sad thing I've ever witnessed in gaming history. You come over, you run through half of the tribe.
Yeah.
And then she's crying over this one as seagulls are eating him. And then you roll up, start shaking the shit out of her, teabag her, drag her into the woods. Hi, Kelvin. You just missed Bubs' war crime. He's tied up. What's up, Boo? Wow, he was heavy. He was heavy. Oh my God. We're gonna get out of here.
Yeah.
No, we're not. I lied. I tricked you.
Oh fuck! I'm down. I'm down.
I'll be there, Bubs. I'm taking out their king. It's just like chess.
It's getting dark.
He kicked intestines at me. Yeah, get down. Get down, Mr. President.
Here.
1 minute, he's not dead. Oh wait, yeah, he is. I'm coming, Bubs. I'm coming, Bubs. Don't you die on me. Do you think they? What do you want? You want some? You want to catch a smoke? He caught the smoke with his forehead. I'm gonna go kill this finger one over here, and I think we can skin him. Oh, it's just him. Okay. Oh, fuck! Fuck! Oh, he can sprint. He can sprint. Oh! Oh! Oh, fuck! Bubs, he's gonna fuck me. Bubs. Good luck, Bubs. Oh, God. Help! Oh, I got him right in the butt. Oh, that went in your shoulder. Get back in here, Bubs. You're not done yet. You're doing great.
You did.
You got him. Perfect. Exploits. Gotta love them. It's like right here somewhere. Oh.
Right here. You need a shovel.
Oh, you gotta find a shovel first?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Where's the shovel?
Cave.
Just cave. Thank you, Bubs. All right, Bubs. I think we will end that right there with the quest for the shovel. And Tokyo Drift.
Oh, Jesus.
We'll see you on the next one.
Bye. Grr. Arr.